Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be watching Types of Burp, and it was made by Jordindian. So the person that actually suggested it is right here. So thank you very much, Safwan, for finally doing your video. And make sure you subscribe because we're getting to 2,000, and when we do, we are doing a giveaway. So make sure you stay for that. And make sure you click the link in the description to join Patreon to support us. Anyway, let's get into the video.
Throw grenade, you throw grenade. You had biryani or what? Yeah, bro. How did you know? Okay, guess what inside? Chicken kebabs.
I do this, mommy.
Keep guessing. Drums of heaven. Chicken Manchurian. Open butter masala dosa. Malai tikka. Fried chicken momos. Fal, Shivaji Nagar. Sankey's burger. Butter chicken. Somf. Okay, guess what I had? Veg biryani. You had veg biryani. Who has veg biryani? You go play with Dinesh. I'm not playing with you. Chuck.
This would literally be us.
Chuck. Yeah. That's my boy. What? That's it? I know. Usually it's a lot more.
That's literally you. You've done that so many times to me.
That's more like it.
Going up.
This pie.
You are pressing too many buttons. Please push the alarm.
I do that as well. You do that so many times. I mean, to be fair, I have some silent ones as well. Just depends. The hitman. I dread to think.
Target on side.
Do you think you can take the shot?
They don't call me the best in the business for nothing. I'm taking the shot.
Me every time I'm live. Yeah, towards me. Wasted. Okay.
Ow.
ಬಾವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಅಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಲ್ಕೋ ತಿಂತಾ ಇರಿ
Look, I'm not just looking for any talent. I'm looking for the next big thing, you know what I mean? Let me call you back.
Should I continue?
Just keep going.
Hey, yo, Skrill. Yeah, I think we just found the next big thing. We're gonna call it dubstep.
How long more?
Indian.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. You guys have been wonderful.
So that being said, if you like the video, share, subscribe, hit that bell icon so that you can get notified immediately. Check out docreativlabs.com for more good stuff. Bye bye. Thank you.
That would literally be us.
Vibes.
Oh, I thought you were about to burp then. Why did you just yawn like that? Yeah, we find them funny, as always. I think it represented us in some of them. More you than me.
Yeah.
The dog.
Girl! Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe and comment down below what you'd like to see next. Remember to check out our Patreon in the description below. And that we're on the road to 2,000 subscribers. And when we hit 2,000 subscribers, we will be doing another giveaway. So please do it out. I swear to God, yeah, no more videos for you guys. No more.
So I'm actually
Also-
getting distracted because
also-
the dog is snoring that loud.
No, stop. Guys!
I actually want to finish the video today.
Oh, yeah, toodles.
We're just having a problem with the dog snoring, so we do apologise. The dogs do that. Anyway, bro, stop yawning. I don't know what happened to the outro. It's hectic as always. Hopefully this video made you laugh. Until the next one, guys. Bye. Also, as always, until you live.
Oh, wait.
In outro.
Oh, hope you guys...
It weren't computing. he literally just sat there like this.
I don't know what I was supposed to say. Anyway,